welcome or welcome back. I don't know what day we're on. It's Vlogmas. We're active every day. We've been posting. We're making it through. Okay, if you're new here, my name's Alicia and we are doing Vlogmas, and I don't know what day we're on, but it's on the screen. And yeah, we talk about plenty of things on this channel, all of my favorite things: fashion, beauty, lifestyle. I am a wife and a mom of 2 boys, so I do some vlogging. Obviously this is Vlogmas, so we've been doing a little bit of vlogging more than usual. But yeah, I have a few packages. I'm about to go grab some lunch, but I have a few packages I wanted to open with you guys while we're here. A few Amazon packages. And honestly, I don't even know what half of them are. Is this mine? Oh, these are mine, okay. Let's see. These are my candlesticks. Okay, so I got an Oura ring sizing kit. I want to get an Oura ring. I think I'm gonna get the 4. This is for the 4, and when you order the sizing kit, you get a $10 Amazon credit towards your ring 4 purchase. So I just want to see which size. I'm not sure which finger I want to put it on. I'm thinking like my middle finger or this finger, but I'm kind of tired of the watch. I'm tired of my Apple Watch. I like wearing my Apple Watch, but I would like to see if this would help or be better or more, I guess, accurate. You know, there's debates whether the calorie count and the sizing is accurate, and the steps and everything like that, but at least it's actually kind of cute and I could wear it daily and not feel a certain way. But we'll see. It's supposed to be waterproof and all the things. So the instructions say to wear the ring, the sizing ring, for 24 hours. So I think I'm gonna like try a few sizes over the next 2 days and then make a purchase. I also have an Amex, and you get a $200 credit, I think, and I have to use that before the end of the year. So I will be making an Oura ring purchase. I ordered some pillows, some pillow inserts. Nothing. Why do they send all these little packages when they could just send it all in one? I also never select that because I want all my stuff to come when I want it to come, like immediately, even though I don't open it right away. I'm the problem. Oh, so I ordered these earrings. This was just a random purchase. I'll try to open it. I love silver jewelry during the winter. Oh, these are so cute. They're so cute. They're like a little hoop. They're cute. I love silver. Just imagine this with a turtleneck. Ew. Yes, very cute. Oh, okay, I ordered some rather unnecessary things, but I did get a new turtleneck. I love their turtlenecks from this brand. So I ordered a new black one because I think I left it somewhere, or I just can't find it. So I ordered a new black one. I got some sheer socks. I needed some sheer socks. I thought these were cute to wear with heels or my loafers. I picked up some track jackets. I'll let you know if I like these, but it's a different brand. I've never tried these before, but I wanted new track jackets to wear to the gym. Oh, this looks rather small. Rather small and rather short. This is the extra large. Okay, we'll try that on and see. I'll let y'all know. I like this color though. I was looking for this color. This like muted color. Right there. flat this is. What could possibly be in here? It's like, I know what's in here. One of the most important things, the whole reason, the entire reason for my Amazon order, one of these. And I bought 2 of them, but the other ones are in here. If you use a digital camera, I love this one, the SanDisk Extreme Pro. I love this one. This one does 4K, and I always buy the one with the most gigs on her because I need all the space. I hate running out of space. You see it? No? So yeah, this has 256 gigs. I forget how much hours of footage, but it's a good one. It's 4K. That's the most important part. Oh, okay. I got my son some underwear. I hope they fit him. I got a 4T. I probably should have got a 5T. So, y'all know potty training. It ain't going good, y'all. It ain't going good. It's gone, but it ain't going good. All right, I need to finish up a few things. We're about to go head to lunch. I'll show you my outfit in a few minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, let's see. Let's check out this sizing here. How do I open it? So I'm trying to get back into my routine, my fitness routine, just back in general. I'm hoping that maybe this will help motivate me. I don't know, something new always helps, you know? Oh, this is so cute. This is the sizing kit. That is so cute. Okay, so I'm thinking I want to wear it on my middle finger. Let's try number 13 first. Too big. It's cute though, it comes right off. It's really cute. Okay, let's try number 11. Oh, 11 is too big. Okay, let's try number 10. 10 fits really nice. It doesn't fall off. 10's kind of loose. I don't want it super tight either though. So 10 might be the look. 9 I feel like would be too small. 9 could probably fit on this finger. Oh, 9 is too loose for this finger. 9 might fit better on my middle finger. Oh, I kind of like 9. I like the way 9 fits better, but I don't think I want anything with EMF to be that tight. I feel like if it's too tight, it would be too much of a, yeah, I feel like I want it to be loose. And I think I want it on my middle finger. Like, I think I find comfort on my middle finger in comparison to like this finger. I think I'm gonna try both, but it says to wear it for 24 hours. So I don't know if this would annoy me. Like, I don't like when rings sit low. That makes sense. Like, I like for them to sit and there be space in between the webbing of my finger. Like, I don't like how this is hitting this part. Like, that bothers me. So maybe I do want a 9. Because if I wear the 9, then on the 9, it's not doing that. It feels kind of tight. Let me drink some water and decide. I don't know. But if I get a 10, it'll also fit on my index finger, which I wouldn't mind it being on my index finger either, but I feel like I would lose it. So my middle finger feels more secure, but this 9 is kind of tight. I'm gonna go with 9. I'm gonna wear 9 for a few hours and see how I feel. we'll just have to go through some of these. Whoever wears a 4 is crazy. That's so small. But it goes all the way up to a 15. My husband is a 13. His wedding band is a size 13. But I think he's like a 12 and a half maybe, because I remember we had to cut it. But this is cute, and you can get this and you can use it for multiple people in the family, or, you know, and it's like ceramic or plastic or something. It's not ceramic, it's plastic. But I'll wear this and see which size. Anyway, I thought that's cute. I still don't know what color I want. I think I'm probably gonna go with gold, but I also really like the rose gold too. But yeah, I'll link this little kit below if you're thinking about getting an Oura ring and you want a sizing kit. When you go on the website and you ask for a sizing kit, it makes you buy the ring and the sizing kit, which I could have been doing something wrong. So I looked it up on Amazon and this came up and it was perfect. So all right, let's go get something to eat. Okay, so we're about to head out. I don't know what I'm getting for lunch, but I do need to drop off some bags of clothes that I picked up. That I decluttered from my kids' room, and some other things, and then we're gonna get some lunch. But I don't know if I told you guys, but it's snowing outside. I think it just stopped snowing. No, it's still flurrying. It's very light, but yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I plan on wearing. My hair is in a fro, so I'm gonna try to wear this hat. I hope it works. It's just the bucket hat. This is from H&M. My sweatsuit is from Jolie Noir, a black owned brand. It's very comfortable. It's not super warm, even though it's super cold outside, but it's so comfortable. Just very, very comfy. I would pick something a little warmer because it's snowing, but it works. It's warm enough, so I wouldn't sweat. I have another sweatsuit that I like to wear when it's snowing. It's by the Comfort brand, and that's like an anxiety, like a you know, like a weighted blanket type of material. Oh, it's so warm, but I get too hot in it, so I don't wear that as often. I'm gonna throw this trench coat on that I have from Banana Republic. It's very old. I actually am looking at another trench coat from there. It's such good quality. I love Banana Republic, but it looks really cute. Let's try this hat on. Let me put y'all here so y'all can see me. Let's try this way. How about that? How's that look? Yeah, so this trench coat is so good. I put on these boots. These are old. They're from Zara, but they're my snow boots. I wear them every time it snows. They're just a good like all-weather boot. They're supposed to be like the Bottega Lug dupes, and sometimes I don't wear them because they make my feet look really big, but I like them in the snow for sure. All right, let's try to put this hat on. Let's see. Yeah, that's cute. Now I could close this up, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna leave it open. But yeah, that's my look. And I'm just gonna wear my bag, my same bag that I wear all the time. Y'all are probably sick of her, but I'll never be. But how cute is this? How cute is this look? One thing I'm gonna do is wear black. That's one thing. That's one closet staple for me, is black. I love black. I'm gonna elevate a black look. So this is the look. I'm probably gonna put on some sunglasses. Maybe. Let's try. There's Alexa, call my phone. I love these glasses. I wear them all the time. They're from Amazon. I will link them. Oh yeah, that's cute. But see, I can't wear glasses with this hat, so no glasses. Okay. Okay, you guys are about to die, but I'm taking you guys with me, so let's go. Okay guys, I am out and about. Decided that I wanted Popeyes. I haven't had Popeyes in a very long time, so I decided I wanted Popeyes. I got butterfly shrimp and some chicken and I kind of wanted the fries, but I ended up getting coleslaw. So I love Popeyes coleslaw, so I figured I'll enjoy that. Every time I come to Popeyes, I never know what to order because they have such good stuff and I always get like flabbergasted. I need like an order, like my favorite order, and I don't have one. But I got some wings with the buffalo rub, and I got a butterfly shrimp, coleslaw, biscuit, and a soda. I'm excited, but I gotta head home, so I have to drop these clothes off and I need to head home. I have a meeting at 2:30, so I'm gonna rush home, eat my food, and enjoy the rest of my work day. Enjoy is an interesting word, but I have meetings for the rest of the afternoon, so I probably won't talk to you guys until after my meetings, but I will show you my food for sure. Okay? But y'all been to Popeyes. Y'all know what's included at Popeyes, okay? I keep hitting my head. Repainted in our house, and it just makes such a world of a difference. Obviously the walls need to be wiped down, but it just looks so fresh and new. If you're ever wanting to like refresh your space, definitely consider just painting the trim. So yeah, we have like wood trim all around the floors and we're trying to paint it all white so it's uniformed.